Hi guys, my name is Manmohan and I'm the General Manager of Poco in India. Today, I'm here to launch a new device that will extend the Poco family to an entirely new segment of users. Today, we take pride in becoming the best-selling smartphone brand on Flipkart in the price segment 15,000 and above. Poco will continuously focus making products for India.
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं फ़ोन व्यू में। चाइनीज स्मार्टफोन कंपनी पोको ने भारतीय बाजार में अपने बजट स्मार्टफोन पोको M2 को लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस स्मार्टफोन को पोको इंडिया के जनरल मैनेजर सी मनमोहन ने एक ऑनलाइन लॉन्चिंग के जरिए लॉन्च किया। इस लॉन्चिंग में पोको इंडिया ने अपने अचीवमेंट्स और पोको M2 के विज्ञापन के साथ साथ पोको फॉर इंडिया टाइटल वाले सॉन्ग को भी दिखाया। पोको M2 स्मार्टफोन की कीमत और स्पेसिफिकेशंस के लिए इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए। धन्यवाद।
Today, I'm glad to be announcing the newest member to the Poco family. We'll continue to stick to our motto, everything you need, nothing you don't. So without any further ado, let's get started. The Poco M2, the smartphone made for the win. So let's get started. To begin with, let's start with the entertainment section. Poco M2 comes with a massive 6.53-inch large display. With this display, you can maximize your entertainment, whether it is viewing content or while gaming. Powering this phone is a powerful octa-core Helio G80 processor, which means that the gaming on this phone is going to be super fun. The Helio G80 has a Mali G52 GPU, which is super clocked at 950 MHz. This processor comes with a HyperEngine gaming technology, which is one of its kind. It has the ability to manage resources intelligently, boost the performance when needed, and ensures that your battery does not take the hit. You get a 6 GB RAM version. What this means is multitasking is going to be a breeze. On the storage front, Poco M2 has up to 128 GB of onboard storage. But for those who want more, we have a dedicated micro SD card slot. Another important feature Poco M2 brings to this segment is the dual band Wi-Fi. Now with this, you can connect easily to 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies. With so many features under the hood, Poco M2 pretty much becomes the segment leader across two verticals: the processing with the G80 and the performance with the 6 GB RAM. It comes with a 6 GB of RAM with a powerful Helio G80 processor, along with features like dual band Wi-Fi, dual VoLTE, and HyperEngine gaming technology. Poco M2 comes with a massive 5000 mAh of battery. Not just a large 5000 mAh battery, Poco M2 also has a lot of software level optimizations such as power saving mode, dynamic power management, and a host of other features to ensure you get a great battery life. Poco M2 also comes enabled with an 18-watt fast charging support. Poco M2 has a great battery life. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery and has 18-watt fast charging support and has a lot of software level optimizations. Be it a video call with your loved ones or a perfect Instagram shot, Poco M2 has you covered on all the aspects when it comes to the cameras. On the back, Poco M2 has an AI quad camera setup. The first is the 13 megapixel primary sensor. The second is an 8 megapixel ultra wide. The next one is a 5 megapixel macro, and the last is a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The 13 megapixel main sensor. Check out this amazing photo clicked by the primary camera on the Poco M2. You can see how the overall colors come out while maintaining an exceptional dynamic range. This is very helpful when clicking scenic subjects, or for that matter, people as well. You can choose to switch to the 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor where a wider field of view is required. The ultra wide sensor allows you to expand your horizon. A 5 megapixel high resolution macro camera. We can get close to daily subjects while taking great Insta-worthy shots, which are colorful, well detailed, and more importantly, very shareable. It's a 2 megapixel depth sensor. With this, you can take amazing portrait shots. Portrait mode has always been our specialty, and the dedicated depth sensor ensures perfect portrait shots every single time. On the front, Poco M2 has an 8 megapixel sensor for your video calls and your selfies. Along with this, the Poco M2 has a lot of AI scene detection features, which are specifically made for India. It comes with AI quad cameras on the back, 8 megapixel front sensor, and AI scene detection features. The two-tone pattern which our Poco fans loved on Poco M2 Pro returns to this phone, Poco M2. It's not just great to look at, but also amazing to hold with its anti-fingerprint texture, better grip and hand feel, so you never have to worry about the phone slipping out of your hands. Along with the great design, Poco M2 has a host of connectivity features like the wireless FM radio, IR blaster, and loud ultra-linear speakers. It comes with 3 colors: pitch black, slate blue, and brick red. To summarize, Poco M2 comes with a trend-setting two-tone pattern and a host of connectivity features like the Bluetooth 5.0, IR blaster, and so many more. The Poco M2 comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and the back cameras, so you never have to worry about accidental damages or scratch. TÜV Rheinland's low blue light certification, now you can watch your content by keeping harmful blue light away. The Poco M2 is also protected by P2I coating, which will help protect your device from accidental water damages. We are also providing a pre-installed screen protector on Poco M2. So Poco M2 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, P2I coating, and many other useful features. Every Poco phone has tons of customization options and a lot of great features like Google Discover Feed, Dark Mode, and many more. Poco M2, it comes with a massive 6.53-inch Full HD display, 6 GB of RAM, Helio G80 powerful chipset, 5000 mAh battery, and 13 megapixel AI quad camera. So Poco M2 comes in 2 variants, the 6 GB RAM 64 GB version and 6 GB RAM 128 GB version. The 6 GB RAM 64 GB version retails at 10,999 only. The 6 GB RAM 128 GB version retails at 12,499 only. Along with this, we are also happy to announce our banking partners, ICICI Bank and Federal Bank, which are providing a 750 rupees instant discount offer. Poco M2 will start retailing on Flipkart starting 15 September at 12 noon.